everyone, you just caught me hosing out my bush here. This is a 50-foot hose and this is very flexible material, okay? So I just learned to turn it on, you have to flip the nodule here. So if you don't do that, it won't work. Comes with the plumber's tape and sealers, so basically you get extra tools for this, and then it comes with the hose. You just wrap it around there, connect it to the wall, you're good to go. So let's talk about the different features. So you can see I was using the jet, okay? So you can really get in there. There's a soaker. There is an angle. Oh, that's kind of cool. There is a mist. Okay, that's self-explanatory. A vert. Oh, so it's like the same thing but at a different angle. There is a center, a full, a flat. There's so many options here. A shower. Ooh, I like that one. A cone. And then we start back at the jet where we had. So if you also want to continuously use this, while you're doing that, you just flip this part back and then you're able to continuously do it without needing to hold it, right? And then if you want to let it go, make sure you grab that, put it back, and then it will turn off. So if you need a good hose, this is really high quality. It comes with all the replacement materials that you're going to need. Check it out for yourself on Amazon.